kind of. That one. We're gonna get on that one. Is that the same one? That one and that one? Is that one the same as that one?
No, it's different. That one has a drop. This one doesn't.
Okay. I guess we'll get on both of them. Well, that one first and then come back.
Okay.
Thank you.
That one has a what?
That one has a drop. This one doesn't. But let's just get on both of them. What do you think?
Okay.
After that, after that. We're gonna get on that one and that one. We'll come back.
Hold on, baby, for the drop.
Or should we just get on this one while we're waiting? Want to? Want to get on this one now? Huh?
You want to get on that one? You're not doing that.
Oh. Is it okay we get on this one and then come back up the line? Well, just give us a and then we'll come back up the line. Oh shoot! Anthony coming! Oh my Lord, have mercy on my soul. Whoa! Wait a minute, what about my feet? No, you was getting on that way forward. Darling, you on my feet. I'll tell you this young. Okay. Oh, wait a minute, wait, I gotta pray first. Oh, shut up, Jesus name. My soul. Oh, it's hot in here. Oh, Anthony, do something. Oh, what about a word of prayer? Oh, shoot, it's dark. Oh, no, it's not. Oh, do something. Oh, Jesus, wait a minute. Oh, this is not funny, Anthony. I need prayer. Wait a minute. Whoa. Anthony.
Right now, baby. Hold on.
The water. I'm glad it's over. That ain't funny. Water splashed on me. Honestly, not funny.
You alright? You hurt yourself?
You better quit.
You hurt your elbow.
I didn't want to get wet either, but over here. Anthony, who gets out first? Oh.
You did that
part. Oh Lord, whose idea was this? Oh.